Sometimes I get asked, what do you do if there's no lines on the road? Notice this is a newly paved road. It doesn't have lines. So they pave one lane at a time, so you go by the seams. Now notice these little white tags. They're by the seams. Now we're gonna make a left turn. Okay, so we come over by the curb. Now when you do a left, when you do a U-turn, you go to your far lane, because your far lane's your slow lane. So I'm looking at the cars coming at me. I have to yield to them. Now I have the right of way over the truck to the left. Okay, so now I'm going to start moving, and I'm going to the far lane. Now, there's the seam on my left. So notice the little tags are on that seam. That's because they pave one lane at a time, so you go by the seams of the road. Light's green. Car on the right stopped. I'm looking at their wheels. Now I put on my right signal. I'm coming into my right lane. And notice how the wind's blowing the snow on the road. So I slow up and I ride my brake. The light's green, so notice how I have to come around here slow, because if I come around too fast, I'll slide. Now I accelerate, look at my left mirror, left signal's on, look over my left shoulder, and then I come over because there are no cars. Now I'm going to make a right up here at this light. Notice all the snow blowing across the street. Right signal, fourth or fifth dot, my right tire. Now I'm coming up, and notice I have a cluster of 5 lights on the right, and I have a green arrow, so I get to keep moving. I don't see there's a pedestrian on the right, and now I come this way. Now notice I'm in a right-only turn lane. I'm slowing up, right signal's on, looking for pedestrians, and I go really slow because it could be icy. Because the temperature has dropped like 4 degrees. And there's your pedestrians. So